I Fiona prayed with regards to my mum's situation, and she anointed with oil, and we went through. That mum was going through a few changes. She looked very down. She seemed very, very elderly. She actually felt 10 years older. And Christine and I, when we left here, went looking at a rest home because she was talking about going into one of them. Well, I couldn't really see Mum in this place. I almost run out of it. I thought she's going to leave that lovely abode to come and stay in something like this. I don't think so. So Christina and I then prayed up alongside with what I Fiona had done. And we prayed for a change of heart, a change of situation, which I can fully enjoy. That on the Monday after, when I went to Mum's, I couldn't believe my eyes. The woman had completely altered. 10 years younger, 20 years younger. She was full of joy, full of everything. She was an absolute... I just couldn't believe what God had done over that weekend. It was so awesome. It was awesome. And now we're talking about, she's even talking about coming to Kendal, and we'll get a little transport to take us. And she's smiling. She's so full of it, full of rejuvenation. Absolute miracle from awesome God and from our lovely friends that have prayed for us. And thank you so much. Thank you. Yes.